If you're seeing X or Twitter error 64, don't panic. This usually means your account is locked, restricted, or suspended, and X is blocking a feature until the issue is resolved. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes, step by step, so you can get back into your account and use X normally again. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and troubleshooting guides. First, open your browser and go to x.com. If you're not already signed in, log into the affected account. In many cases, Error 64 will show a message explaining that your account has been suspended or temporarily locked. If that happens, carefully read the on-screen instructions. X may ask you to complete a security check, verify your phone number, solve a CAPTCHA, or wait for a temporary restriction to expire. If you see a verification prompt, complete it fully before trying again. Sometimes the fastest fix is simply confirming your identity and following X's recovery steps. If your account is only locked temporarily, this alone may restore access. Next, if the error appears while you're using a third-party app or scheduler, the issue may be related to connected app permissions. To check that, go to the X homepage, then click More in the left sidebar. From there, open Settings and Privacy. Next, select Security and Account Access, and then click Apps and Sessions. Here, review every connected app carefully. If you see a tool you no longer use, don't trust, or think may be causing the problem, revoke its access. Removing outdated app permissions can often clear Error 64 when posting or syncing through external tools. If your account is still restricted after that, the next step is to appeal the suspension. To do this, sign in to the restricted account if you can, then search for the X Help Center. Look for the appeal form and open it. Fill out all required details and explain clearly and politely why you believe your account should be restored. Be honest, concise, and professional. After submitting the form, keep an eye on the email address linked to your account, because X's support or safety team may send you a response there. Another fix that can help is clearing your browser cookies and cache. Sometimes corrupted browser data can trigger login errors or sync problems on X. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. In the browser dialog, set the time range to all time. Then, make sure cookies and other site data, along with cached images and files, are selected. Click Clear Data, restart your browser, and then try logging into X again. This simple reset can solve a surprising number of account and loading issues. If the issue still continues, try switching browsers or opening X in a private or incognito window. That helps you test whether the problem is coming from your browser profile, an extension, or stored session data. You can also disable browser extensions temporarily, especially ad blockers or privacy tools, since they sometimes interfere with X's login and account verification pages. So to recap, Error 64 usually means your X account is locked or suspended. And the best fixes are to complete the security verification, review connected app permissions, submit an appeal if needed, and clear your browser cache and cookies. One of those steps usually gets you back in. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and good luck fixing X Error 64.